Today is the day that we look at the Vigor GK40 keyboard. Now this one is a membrane keyboard, so not your normal, well I can't say normal, but you got mechanical and then you got non-mechanical, and this is in between the both, so it's not technically mechanical but it's like membrane, that's what it's called. Anyway, it's got the MSI gaming logo on there, and then it's got the little dragon on there, and then obviously it's not chopped. It is quite a fat keyboard, as you can see there. The buttons are really nice to type with. It's got a weird sound though when it it's like a clicky typing sound. But yeah, this is also water resistant, so you can chuck water over it and it will repel the water off of it. And the keys look like they're floating in the RGBs. And obviously, yes, this is Mystic light controlled. You can connect it with the rest of your MSI Mystic light stuff, or you can download the app, which I've done there, and I'm gonna check for stuff. Let's see what it does. Underneath you got just a normal cable, no pass through, just literally bolted straight into the back. We wouldn't say bolted, it's not really bolted, it's just in there, can't get it out. Then you've got rubber feet on the bottom there, and you've got this panel that flaps out, so you can go, I'm gonna go a little bit higher, I'm gonna go full height, so it depends on your own preferences how you want to use it. So I'm gonna have it on that one. Then it says a Vigor GK40 on the back there. Oh, it's got big rubber feet there as well, and as you can see, it's a bit of a smudge kitten right there, isn't it? But anyway, it is a full QWERTY keyboard, so you can like do everything you want to do to it. I thought I said Patreon. The screen where you print the screen, that's what it means. That's what I meant to say. Anyway, it's got your media keys at the top here as well, and your home and the internet and all that sort of stuff, and your email, and then you've got all your keys down here. But what we want to do is we've got LEDs on, so with the software I can click and turn off, turn on, turn off, turn on, turn off, turn on. That's all good. So let's go into the keyboard. So you see we've got this illumination around here, click into that. Then I can do these things like wave cycling, breathing, blink, steady on chap, explosion, shrink, ripple and profile. That's what we can do on there. So let's check out what it actually does. So this is wave, so you go down there and save it. That's wave. And we can slow down the speed as well, halfway. Then slow. Oh, but what we're going to do is going to have it halfway, so you can have a look at the other stuff. So we've got cycling. Wicked. You got brightness, which you can have middle, and then low, and then back to high. And then you can also have a different direction, so left to right. So let's have it back and right. Then we've got breathing, which is your normal standard breathing. Different colours of breathing there. You can speed it up, slow it down, blink. Same thing, low, high, low, middle, high, and then obviously left and right direction. So let's go in a different direction now. Steady on chap. It's on high. Don't know what that means. What's happening there? I guess you can change the colours. Right, okay, this is the one where you can just change the colours and have the colours you want. Explosion and shrink. Oh, I'm liking this keyboard. I actually hated it before. I actually like it. I'm at RGB. I think I'm RGB madness. Ripple. Ooh, let's turn that down to low so you can see it a little bit more. Cool. Let's change it to a different colour then. Change it to a different colour. Why are you? There we go. Change yellow. Cool. Then profile is on here in the menu, which you got like loads. Oh, hang on, profile. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different colours that you can change it to. So it's saying that I can have red, and I can only have red. So let's just do it like that then. So, or can you? Oh no, you can change the colours you want. That's good. So this one I want it to be blue. This one I want it to be light blue. This one I want it to be purple. This one I want it to be white. This one I want it to be yellow, and then pink. Or you can have all the same colours, or half and half the same colours. Now let's see what happens now. Alright, so save as. Nothing's happened. Why? What's going on? Oh no, it did work. There we go. Those are the colours I chose. So I don't know. That doesn't really look like yellow to me, but it's got white, and this is meant to be yellow, then pink, then blue, dark blue, then light blue, then purple. Where's the yellow then? That does not look like yellow. Let's do some more yellows then. Oh, that looks a bit more like yellow or green. Let's check out what green looks like then. Oh, green actually looks like green. Okay, it's not like perfect with the colours, but it's £50. You can't really go wrong. Like, let's go with what one? Explosion Strink. I like that. That looks cool. You got the other Mystic light in here, which you can obviously, if you've got a Mystic light motherboard, so meaning that if you've got like RGBs on your motherboard, or you've got headphones, you've got a mouse, you've got a keyboard, you can Mystic light them all together, and then it will work in co-sync together. You can also control the actual this keyboard with this software as well. So if I go to off and hit apply, it goes off. So it's pretty decent. Oh, you got different ones. Got Meteor on there. So yeah, you can change things up a little bit. You can change the colours, change the directional, the way it goes, and brightness and stuff like that. Anyway, let's just quickly have a quick go of PUBG, and let's see if it feels alright on the wrist, on the hand. Actually, I'm going to go on to the highest point. That's what that feels like. That is quite high actually. It does feel a bit bulky, but that's what it's made for. It's meant to be bulky. Not like a slimline one. The slimline one, you check out the Vigor GK40 that I've just done a review on already. I love the keyboard, even though I got killed. Oh dear. Yeah, I think do you know what? I actually was going to slag this keyboard off because I didn't think it was going to be that great. Technically, it's not my normal standard go-to as a professional gaming keyboard or anything like that. But for £50, I can see why it's £50. You're paying a lot of money for obviously the RGB, but obviously this feels like it's going to last a long time. The build is decent as well on the keyboard, and it's also waterproof. Well, not waterproof, but splash proof. So you can spill your drink in gaming frustration, then it doesn't really matter. You can dry it off and everything like that. Yeah, I think it looks pretty cool. The keys are nice. It is a bit of a smudge magnet, but if you're starting off with your gaming and you've got that little bit extra money and you want to get something from MSI, this will be definitely the way to look. I still got the plastic on there. Look. Ooh, now it looks nice. Now that looks good. But anyway, hope this video is in depth enough. Well, can't really be in depth, but yeah, it was decent enough. Oh yeah, you do get a decent cable, so about 1.8 meters long. And anything else I need to say about it, I can't remember. I don't think I do, because I think I've covered that already. But if I haven't, leave a comment down below, subscribe, share this video to everyone that you know, and follow me on Facebook and Instagram and all that sort of stuff. And I'll see you next one. Thanks for watching. Roger and out.